Okay, problem 17. What is the greatest power of 2 that is a factor of 10 to the 1002 minus 4 to the 501? Um, so the very first thing you want to do is you want to like factor this a little bit. So you take 10 to the 1002 minus 4 to the 501, and then you notice since 4 equals 2 squared, this will be equal to 10 to the 1002 minus 2 to the 1002, which then equals 2 to the 1002 times 5 to the 1002 minus 1. So now we just need to find how many 2's factor into this. And there's this high-powered technique called lifting the exponent. But it's not really worth using here. And lifting the exponent also doesn't really work very well for 2. Okay. And so we'll use like the old school trick instead, which is binomial distributions. So 2 to the 1000, this value is going to be equal to this. Here we're just rewriting 5 as 4 plus 1, because 5 equals 4 plus 1. And then this is going to be equal to 2 to the 1002 times like 4 to the 1002 plus 1002, choose 1 times 4 to the 1001 plus yada yada yada. 1002 choose 2 times 4 squared plus 1002 choose 2 times 4. And based on this, we can actually get how many factors of 2 come into this. Yeah, the way we do that is we notice that this thing has, 3 factors of 2, because 1002 is congruent to 2 mod 4. So this whole thing is actually, I'll just write it like that actually. This is congruent to 8 mod 16. And then this is congruent to 0 mod 16. And actually everything over here is going to be congruent to 0 mod 16 because they have at least 2 factors of 4. But this thing over here is congruent to 8 mod 16. So that means there's only 3 powers of 2 factor in. So then the answer is 1002 plus 3 equals 1005. And so D is your answer. Yeah, this is a pretty common trick. The generalized trick is that like, if you
your
want
screen
to,
is still.
yes.
Okay, now I see it. Now I see it.
So the generalized trick is that if you want to find number of times a prime P goes into A to the n minus B to the n, and P divides A minus B, write A to the n minus B to the n equals equals A minus B plus B to the n minus B to the n. And then you'll have like A minus B to the n plus n times all the way down to like n times A minus B times B to the n minus 1. And yeah, this is nice because like these things will have a lot of factors of P. So it'll usually be defined by like the stuff back here, how many times P goes in. Yeah.